Okay, so I took this off, which is the flapper valve itself. This is the rubber gasket I was talking about before, that if that's deformed, even if it tries to close, the solenoid closes, the seal is incorrect. Now this, as you can see, is pretty flat, and it'll go seal against this surface here, so allowing or sealing off the air when it's not open, and it's open only when ice is being dispensed. Now the mechanism itself, you can see that you probably never see this when you don't open these up. You see that all kinds of mold shows up. So until you start opening these things, you don't realize what you are actually drinking. You're drinking water from something dispensed like this. And that's just the way it is, because that's a humid area and it condenses and then mold builds up. So I've checked the valve here. The mechanism here, opening and closing. There's a spring here, which I took off. That's fine. So I'm convinced it's that solenoid right there that's the problem. So the little piston that goes back and forth, up and down when there's current applied or not, that's getting stuck in the sleeve there. So it's a magnet type of thing. It gets pulled in when there's current, and it releases and slides back out. The spring brings it back into place when the current is gone. So I'm gonna have to replace that. So for now, I'm gonna leave it as it is. I gotta buy a new one. I'll get the numbers off of that, and then I will replace that. I won't be showing that because that's simply replacing it, and then I'll be showing you how it works once it's all done. Thank you.